So all this can be provided by providing health education to the community. So for a healthy newborn, the care, it starts from antenatal period itself. So antenatal care and preparation is also very important to decrease neonatal mortality. Again, so much noise at the back. क्या बातें कर रहे हो आप लोग? Why are you disturbing again and again? इतनी बार बार मैं बोल रही हूँ, फिर भी बातें शुरू हो रही है. लास्ट की ये जो 3-4 बेंचेज हैं, इन सब की एब्सेंट लगा दूंगी मैं, अब आपने अगर बातें शुरू की तो. So antenatal care and preparation, it includes comprehensive prenatal visits, nutritional counseling, birth preparation and newborn care education. So prenatal visits, that is antenatal visits, they are very important for healthy outcome of pregnancy. So what are the minimum antenatal visits which should be done? कितनी होनी चाहिए? At least इतनी होनी चाहिए. कितनी होनी चाहिए? Yes, anyone from this side? कितनी होनी चाहिए? 3 to 4 visits. Okay, तो क्या क्या उन visits में करवाया जाता है एंटीनेटल केयर की जो मैंडेटरी प्रैक्टिसेस हैं? नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट. एंटीनेटल मदर कोई आती है, 3-4 विजिट्स आप बोल रहे हो, तो क्या करवाया जाएगा उससे? क्लिनिकल चेकअप के अलावा और क्या करोगे? बस क्लिनिकल चेकअप करोगे और भेज दोगे? फाइनल ईयर में आके आप ये भी आंसर नहीं दे पा रहे हो. नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट. प्रेग्नेंट लेडी जो चेकअप कराने ओपीडी में आ रही है, उसको क्या क्या सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करोगे आप? ये तो लेमैन भी बता देगा कि क्या क्या होता है. नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट. स्टैंड अप. यस. Yeah, TT immunization. How many doses? 2 doses of TT are given at the interval of 4 to 6 weeks. Okay, any other intervention? क्लिनिकल एग्जामिनेशन के अलावा और क्या करवाया जाता है? ब्लड टेस्ट कुछ नहीं करवाए जाते? तो फिर बोलो ना. नेक्स्ट. ब्लड इन्वेस्टिगेशंस में क्या क्या करोगे? यस. HIV. ओके. किस चीज़ की मॉनिटरिंग करोगे? उसकी हेल्थ आप देखोगे तो क्या क्या टेस्ट करवाओगे? हेल्दी है कि नहीं है? तो उसके लिए क्या टेस्ट होते हैं? यस, हीमोग्लोबिन. क्योंकि एनीमिया इन प्रेगनेंसी, इट इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर हेल्दी आउटकम ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी. वो न्यूबॉर्न को भी इफेक्ट करेगा और मदर को भी. और कोई टेस्ट? यस. HIV, हीमोग्लोबिन. एनी अदर टेस्ट? नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट. हेपेटाइटिस. ओके. फाइनल ईयर में तो टिप्स पे होने चाहिए आपको क्या क्या टेस्ट करवाते हैं प्रेग्नेंट लेडी के. यही आप कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन में पढ़ते हो, यही गायनी में भी पढ़ते हो. सिट डाउन. So regular prenatal checkups, they are important to monitor the baby's development and to identify अगर कोई भी complication है, then that mother should be referred to higher center for timely interventions. Then nutritional counseling is done. She should take a healthy balanced diet. And how many calories they are recommended? Extra calories pregnant mother को कितनी लेनी चाहिए? 350 calories, kilocalories extra. And during lactation, 550 during lactation. So nutritional counseling is must for healthy balanced diet to support baby's growth and development. Then birth preparation. She should be educated about the various stages of labor, pain management techniques and what to expect during delivery process. Then how to care for newborn. She should receive training on essential newborn care practices, breastfeeding, bathing, soothing the newborn. Skilled birth attendants. It is very important because पहले जब नियोनेटल मोर्टेलिटी हमारी कंट्री में बहुत ज़्यादा थी, तो उसका मेन रीज़न क्या था कि होम डिलीवरीज होती थी, एंड ड्यूरिंग होम डिलीवरीज अगर कोई कॉम्प्लिकेशंस होते थे, they could not be handled. It led to increase in maternal mortality as well as neonatal mortality. So skilled birth attendance is must. So delivery it should be handled by a trained doctor or a trained nurse. And during childbirth, the health of mother and baby should be properly monitored. Complications should be properly managed to ensure safe delivery. So skilled birth attendance, it promotes timely interventions, emergency care and appropriate postmortem care, all of which are essential for well-being of newborns. Now after the birth of the baby, it is important to provide essential care to newborn, which includes thermal care, airway management, early initiation of breastfeeding and vitamin K administration. So thermal care, it includes keeping the baby warm. And the best method is to provide kangaroo mother care. Kangaroo mother care, that is the baby and the mother, they should be kept side by side. ऐसा नहीं है कि बेबी कहीं और है और मदर कहीं और है. So thermal care, it is very crucial to keep the newborn baby warm. Then airway management, clearing the airway so that the newborn is breathing properly, it is the top priority. So for this, suction is used. Suction of mouth and nose if needed to remove any mucus or fluids if they are there. And early initiation of breastfeeding, it is very important. In normal delivery, breastfeeding, it should be done as soon as possible, and in cesarean delivery within half an hour. Then vitamin K administration, it is given to newborn to prevent bleeding disorders, and this will help the blood to clot properly and in first few months of life. Then next comes the postnatal care and follow-up. So postnatal period कौन सी कितने week तक आप बोलते हो after delivery? Postnatal period? Yes, आप बताओ. Yes, stand up. हाँ, आपके पीछे. Yes. एंटीनेटल पीरियड और पोस्टनेटल पीरियड कितना कितना होता है? व्हाट इज एंटीनेटल पीरियड एंड व्हाट इज पोस्टनेटल पीरियड? कोई डिफरेंस है इन दोनों में? क्या होता है? प्रेगनेंसी से भी पहले कि प्रेगनेंसी के टाइम पर? So how many weeks, कितने वीक्स तक रहेगा? कुछ तो डिफाइंड होगा कि इतने वीक्स तक पोस्टनेटल पीरियड है. 6 months? Sure, 6 months. Next student. She is saying postnatal period is 6 months. You agree or disagree? 6 weeks. It is 6 weeks. Postnatal period, it lasts from 6 weeks after delivery. Sit down. So postnatal visits are done during this period to ensure proper health of mother. So newborn checkups, they are also done during these postnatal visits. Postpartum support and immunizations are given to newborn. So regular postnatal visits, they ensure newborn's health and development are closely monitored. So during these visits, growth is checked, feeding, and if any issues are there, they are early identified and timely interventions are done. Then postpartum support, it includes counseling the mother for breastfeeding, inquiring about her mental health, because depression is common during postpartum period, and self-care during the critical postpartum period. Home visits, they can be done by nurses to provide additional support. The next is immunization. So which immunizations they are done for a newborn baby at birth? कौन vaccines लगाए जाते हैं? Yes, from this side. First bench, last student. At birth, which vaccinations are given to a newborn baby? कुछ भी नहीं पता आपको? एट बर्थ पोलियो, विच पोलियो वैक्सीन? ओरल पोलियो वैक्सीन, ओके। एनी अदर ओपीवी के अलावा? स्पीक लाउडली। हेपेटाइटिस बी एंड वन मोर? मीजल्स नहीं होता, मीजल्स 9 मंथ्स पे लगता है। ओपीवी, हेपेटाइटिस बी, और उसके अलावा कौन सा वैक्सीन लगता है? बीसीजी वैक्सीन। सो बीसीजी इज गिवन फॉर प्रोटेक्शन अगेंस्ट विच डिजीज? कौन से डिजीज से? सिट डाउन। नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट, कौन से डिजीज से प्रोटेक्ट करता है बीसीजी वैक्सीन? ट्यूबरक्लोसिस के लिए, यस, सिट डाउन। So according to the schedule, various vaccinations they are given to newborn to protect against diseases like polio, measles, hepatitis, etc. Now addressing newborn illnesses, because newborn babies they have low immunity, they are vulnerable to various illnesses, and the most common illnesses which are there in newborn are respiratory infections, diarrheal infections. So early diagnosis and prompt treatment, it is very important to prevent complications and to ensure their healthy development. So for this, healthcare providers, they are trained to timely recognize the complications and to provide early diagnosis and treatment. So if they recognize warning signs and provide appropriate interventions and educate parents on proper care and monitoring. Then balanced nutrition, it is very important for mothers, because mother is also breastfeeding the baby, so a nutrient rich diet, a balanced healthy diet is very important. And during postnatal period, extra 550 kilocalories they should be provided for proper nutrition. Breastfeeding support, exclusive breastfeeding for first 6 months. Exclusive means not even water should be given, only breastfeeding should be there. And continued breastfeeding with complementary foods up to 2 years. So up to 6 months of age, she should only breastfeed the baby, and after 6 months, other foods they are introduced, like first starting with rice, water and other liquid foods, semi-solid foods like khichdi, dalia, and then gradually switching over to the meal which the family is taking. So this is complementary food, जो after 6 months start किया जाता है babies के लिए, and breastfeeding should be continued for up to 2 years. Then micronutrient supplements they should be given, because at this age, at the age of newborn, the deficiency diseases they may occur, and the requirement of micronutrients is more. So supplements they should be given, iron supplements, folic acid and other key micronutrient supplements to address deficiency and to support mother and child health. Even during postnatal period, mother is given supplements of iron and calcium in the form of tablets. So for all this, providing all these facilities, it is very important to strengthen health system. जो system ये सब care provide कर रहा है, वहाँ पर प्राइमरी हेल्थ केयर के लिए इम्प्रूवमेंट होना चाहिए, जो उसके हेल्थ वर्कर्स हैं उनको ट्रेनिंग मिलनी चाहिए, और टू इंश्योर द सप्लाई अवेलेबिलिटी, वट एवर मेडिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स और मेडिकल सप्लाई इज नीडेड, इट शुड बी टाइमली प्रोवाइडेड, सच एज resuscitation equipments, medicines at all levels of health system. And lastly, the important part of every health program is monitoring and evaluation. Without monitoring and evaluation, the success of any program cannot be successful. So for monitoring and evaluation, data collection, progress evaluation, quality assurance and adaptive strategies are there. So during data collection, establish robust systems to collect comprehensive data on newborn health outcomes, including mortality rates, morbidity and service utilization. So all this data, it is collected from various health systems. Then evaluation, progress evaluation. how much progress is taking place towards achieving these targets. So state, not only at national level, state level, but also at national level it is done by identifying successes and areas of improvement. Quality assurance, implement quality improvement process to ensure consistent high quality newborn care across all healthcare facilities. And lastly, adaptive strategies. Use data-driven insights to continuously refine and adapt the newborn action plan, responding to emergency challenges and opportunities. So that was